Well, good morning, everyone. It's Michelle from Michelle's Ink It Stamp It, and today I am going to, I forgot to put my thing on my bracelet, sorry. I'm going to work on putting my pages together for the journal. So I have one spot, 2, 3, 4. So I need 4 of the large journals. I think I counted that in there. And I'll need, I don't know that I'm going to put a journal in the back here. Let's see, 1, 2, do 2 there, 3. So I need 3 large journals. So first I'm going to start off, I've collected a bunch of papers and just put them in. So I've got all different tear-offs from my thing, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 12 items. Whether I use them all or not, I don't know. It makes your journal pretty fat when you do that. So this one has all the journals. When you tie it down, it's not so bad. Oops, I need to re-glue that. These are little cut-offs from a tag, and I the little corner pieces that I cut off to make the tag shape, and I put those on there. Okay. So anyway, let's just start. This is one of my jelly prints that I did in one of my sessions, so I think I'm going to put that on the front. I've never used my jelly prints that I can know of, but I want to start. So I've got that, and then let's put this. And I'm going to just kind of fold things in half. And I don't keep them even. And I'm just going to put random pages in, because we can fold them, tear them, whatever we want to do as we go. Let's put a book page in. Sometimes the older book pages are very thin and brittle, so this seems to be okay. I don't want to put that one in yet because it'll be the same. Let's use this, and I think I'm going to just do a little fold here for the edge because we want some different things, different shapes, different colors. Let's see, I think I'll put this here, and this might change as we go. I have a music sheet. And I think I'll put that there. And then I have this book page. So let's do this right now. This was, you know, when I deconstruct the books, I take them apart, so I have the double pages. If you need me to show you how to do that, let me know in the comments, and I will do a video doing that. So I think we'll go right there. Jeez. So that has there's 2 pictures in there, but we'll cover the pictures up, so that's not something that you need to worry about. And I think I'm going to pull this out, put this in. So we have some different types of paper. I have this. So let's see where we want that. Put that in there. Okay, so that looks good for now. Then I'll bring my journal over. Let's see, I need to put this page in. Okay, we'll put this right here. And it's just a matter of playing with them. There's no right or wrong way to do it. Okay. I don't know where I put my journal at. There it is. Okay. So I'm just going to put this in this one here so we can see how long we want it and how... And I think this one I put pages up longer, and you can certainly do that. I put pages lower than the journal and longer. But I think in this one we'll try to keep it somewhat contained. Let's see, I can use this page if I want to, and I still have this if it looks like we need something else. Kind of move this out of the way. So, I'm kind of just going to do that so I know where to fold these back at, because I think I want to just fold this so that we have a pull out. And you want it to go right up to the line, but you want it to go, you know, so that you can open it up and it doesn't get caught. And we're going to cover it. Sorry, we had a leak on our roof, so we were up repairing it, and I guess I left some of that stuff on there. Okay, so we have that. And actually what I think I'm going to do is just bring everything down to one end. So at least I can get that part, figure out what we need to cut off. So it looks like just this one. So let's get him squared away. And I'll leave it just a little bit above. So I'm going to take it right to the top line of that. So I'm just going to turn this around. I already forgot where I said. If you have a long paper clip, okay, so just above the bottom line there. And you can add that back into the journal if you want. Okay, so we got that. Let's do this part here, and I want to go past the inside. Of course, I got that off Giltter. I don't mind if it sticks out a little bit, and these we might just rip that off so we have it. This is fine, this is fine. That works. so let's open this up and take that out. Get this back. I save these little pieces because you can always fold them in half and make a gusset out of it, and I'll show you that when we're working. Okay, so let's put this all back together. Turn this over so I can fold those other ones to where I need them. They don't all have to be the same, and you can easily just tear them apart. And if you decide you don't want to do this later on, do you see how I'm not going right up to the edge on that, because this is going to have to open and close? And keep that straight. Let's get this open. Bring this back so it's right there. Okay. All right. So we've got that. Now we can decide where we want things. Put these more in the middle. And like I said, they don't have to go to the center. You can put them, most of the time I don't have them in the center, but might be the easiest thing to do at the beginning if you're just starting out. And I just do a 3-hole pamphlet stitch. Okay, so we got that. Okay, so then usually what I'll do is once I kind of get it set up the way I want it, I'll just kind of put one of those in there so that I could look at this and I could tell if I want to move stuff around. We're going to be covering a lot of this up. This will be a flip page here. That'll be covered up. So let's turn this way. We have this one that'll come out. So this will be like a 2-page spread kind of thing. This is the short part of that. That's one of the Fairy Daybook things. Here's this. I was thinking, oh, did I put the music in upside down? I don't know how to read music, so it's a good thing it's got that on it. Not that it's going to matter because it could be covered up. So we've got that. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pages, so 22, so 44 pages in just that one part of the journal. Okay, so we'll put that there, and I will go on to the next, and I will see you in the next video. All right, just thought I'd cover that and make this a little shorter for you. All right, take care. I'll put a video over here that you might, or put a video over here that you might like, but like and subscribe over here. And I will put everything in the description that I'm using below. I'll put it in the description box, okay? So go create something fun.